us to the third episode in this series of episodes where we continue looking at the 2024 Internal Mathematics Paper 1. So if you haven't seen the first two episodes, please check out on our YouTube channel or download the companion app that you are seeing on the screen, where you're also going to see questions that you can use to practice and test your level of confidence. Remember, practice makes it permanent. Why don't you head to Google Play Store or check in the description section to see the link direct to Google Play Store, then download and start practicing today. You're going to find amazing content in our app. So question 3, factorize completely 27 y square minus 3x square. So there will always be a question that will require you to factorize. So once you know the principles of factorization, this question is a giveaway. That's why before you even go for an exam, you know the questions that are coming, which makes it easier for you to smash mathematics. So the first thing is see what is common. So what is common between 27 y square and minus 3x square is a 3. So 3 outside, 3 into 27 is a 9. So 9y square. Then 3 into negative 3 is a negative 1. So remain with x square like that. So 3 is taken out already. So we need to deal with what is in brackets now. 9y square minus x square can be written in this form, which is ax square plus bx plus c. In this case, a is 9. It will be 9y square, where x is y. So whatever there is x, we are putting y because there is already x. So here this is like that. Then plus 0y. Because y is the first thing, so whenever there is x, this is a y, then this is a y. Then minus this one, which is x square. So from this, we can find the product. So the product is 9y square times negative x square, which will be negative 9x, 9y square, then x square. Then the sum is this one, which is 0. Then we look for the factors. What are the factors? So the factors now will be, what are the two expressions in such a way that when we apply them we get this. So it will be, we are going to get minus 3xy and 3xy, or 3yx the same. AB and BA they are the same. So now this can be written as 9y square minus x square is the same as, I'm going to use the black here, is the same as 9y square minus 3xy, then plus 3xy. So you notice that this is a 0. That one is a 0. Then minus this. So minus x square. Then we can factor out what is common. So I know 3 and y, they are common here. So it will be, now I'm using a different color, 3y out. This is going to give me 3y minus x, like that. Then again here, what is common? What is common there is x. So x here and x here can go into that. So there I'm going to have now plus x, then 3y minus x. So what is key is ensuring that what is in brackets here are the same. If they're different, you would have made a mistake. So there now we are going to have now This and that is common outside, so it's going to be 3y minus x. Then into this one we remain with 3y into this one plus x. Then remember we had this 3, so this 3 will just bring it in front, so we're going to end up with 3 outside. Then this is the factorized version of this equation. So I've taken a bit of time to ensure that you follow and understand what is going on. Thank you for joining me in this episode. Please join me in the next episode as we look at question 4.